Hello there, this is Alan coming from Get Up Radio and Get Up Radio Media. Basically, as you already seen on the video before, there was a video for just Texas Bricken, where we went through the steps of actually making the Texas Bricken by making the chicken, making the brisket, chopping it up, and of course putting it all together to make the famous Texas Bricken. Now, of course, this video is particularly for something a little bit different. It's going to actually be called the Texas Bricken Burger. That's right. What? Burgers? Yes, a Texas Bricken Burger. How can you in Texas not have burgers? Come on now, let's be real here. So, we're going to show you how to make the Texas Bricken Burger and the Texas Bricken Baby Sliders, aka Baby Brickens. So, let's look forward to now, as I go on to next step, showing you how to make the Texas Bricken Burger and Texas Baby Sliders, aka Texas Baby Brickens. Thank you. Hello there. So here we are now. We are on almost the final endeavor of the beautiful Texas Bricken development here, where we can finalize it and finally hopefully get to eat it, right? So as you can tell, we're now basically putting our chicken here, and they are diced very finely, of course, but we need to have it extremely more fine than it is. And this is where, of course, you can have a simple food processor. Of course, if you are more extravagant, of course, you want to make more brisket with more chicken to make more bricken. Of course, you want something bigger. Very now, we have a beautiful, nicely cut chicken. And that will now be portion 1 of portion 2 for the fabulous Texas Bricken. Now, of course, now we're going to go next to the brisket. As you can see, once again, finally sliced it very nicely, of course, but you have to remember now, we want to go ahead and still make it more finely chopped. Now, as you can see, we have a nice fine spread brisket, and we're going to go to step 3 now, where we're going to go ahead and put the brisket and the chicken together to finally make the fabulous Texas Bricken. Looking forward to that next step. Thank you.
Brett.